How to show or hide the Preview pane in File Explorer in Windows 11. The File Explorer's Preview pane is a key Windows 11 feature that lets you glimpse files without opening them, boosting efficiency. However, it can also expose sensitive information or consume system resources if left unmanaged. Whether you need it for speed, privacy, or to enforce a standard across multiple computers, knowing how to control it is essential. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why control the Preview pane? Controlling the Preview pane is important because it directly impacts efficiency, performance, and security. While it speeds up work by showing file content instantly, it also renders live content, which can cause lag or high CPU usage on older PCs or when browsing large folders. More importantly, it can risk exposing sensitive data on shared or public workstations, making it essential to manage for privacy and security. Mouse and keyboard shortcuts, methods 1 and 2. The quickest ways to manage the Preview pane are directly within File Explorer. Method 1. File Explorer interface. First, open File Explorer by pressing Win+E. Click the View tab in the top ribbon menu. Next, click the Preview pane in the selection. A dot next to it means the pane is enabled. No dot means it is disabled. Method 2. Keyboard shortcut. First, open File Explorer, Win+E. Press Alt+P. The first press shows the pane instantly. The second press hides it, making this the fastest toggle. Using the Registry editor. Method 3. Modifying the Registry editor is the best approach for system administrators or those needing a permanent, system-wide setting. This requires administrator access and is a more advanced technique. First, open the Registry editor by pressing Win+R, typing regedit, and tapping Enter. Navigate to the key address, HKey, current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer, Advanced. Double-click the Show Preview Handlers D word. If it doesn't exist, create a new DWORD 32-bit value and name it Show Preview Handlers. Set the value data to 1 to enable or 0 to disable the Preview pane. You can also configure your pane as desired, then right-click Global Settings under the Explorer/Modules path and export the setting as a .reg file for easy deployment across other systems. Scripted toggles with PowerShell. Method 4. You can enforce Preview pane settings at scale using scripted workarounds since native PowerShell commandlets don't exist. Option 1. Registry import. After creating your baseline .reg file from the Registry editor, you can deploy it using PowerShell. Open Terminal, Admin, Win+X. Run the script. Then, restart File Explorer to apply the changes. Option 2. Keystroke simulation. You can use the built-in Power Automate tool to simulate the Alt+P keystroke for automated toggling. Create a new flow in Power Automate. Add a Run Application action to open Explorer.exe. Add a focus window action targeting File Explorer. Add a Send Keys action with the text and P to simulate the Alt+P shortcut. Save and run the flow. You can then place a shortcut to the flow in the Startup folder to run it automatically. Managing the Preview pane is a simple way to create a secure and efficient environment. It's about balancing speed and security. Enable it to get instant previews of documents and media, saving time and clicks. But if you're handling sensitive information or using a shared PC, be quick to disable it using the shortcut to prevent accidental exposure. The choice depends on your workflow and security needs. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to show or hide the Preview pane in File Explorer in Windows 11, linked in the description below.